8 ways to celebrate Islamic holidays with children. 1. Decorate your home together. Use Islamic decorations to create a festive atmosphere. Involve your children in decorating to build excitement and anticipation. 2. Explain the significance of the holiday. Share the history and importance of Eid, Ramadan, and other Islamic holidays. Understanding the significance deepens their connection to these celebrations. 3. Cook traditional meals as a family. Involve your children in preparing special dishes and sweets. Cooking together can be a fun and educational experience. 4. Perform Eid prayers. Attend the mosque together for Eid prayers and Taraweeh during Ramadan. Special prayers highlight the spiritual aspect of the holidays. 5. Share stories of the prophets. Use these occasions to teach important lessons from Islamic history. Stories of the prophets can make the holidays more meaningful. 6. Engage in charity work. Encourage your children to give sadaqah and help those in need. Acts of charity embody the spirit of Islamic holidays. 7. Visit friends and family. Strengthen bonds by spending time with loved ones. Social gatherings foster a sense of community. 8. Create holiday crafts. Make Eid cards, Ramadan lanterns, and other festive crafts to celebrate the season. Crafting can be a creative way to celebrate. Make each holiday meaningful and memorable for your children. Join us next time for more tips. Like, subscribe, and share your celebrations in the comments below.